must be established within 7 days, not even after 7 days. Let's start from there. It says it must be established within 7 days. Okay, on your report that you are tabling, you are accounting for only 3 days. Let's start from there. You're saying it was impossible to establish as per the rules because there was a holiday on the 17th of June, 2024. Let's count then from the establishment or the appointment of the speaker, which was on the 14th. Let's count from there. Take 7 days, it gives you to the 21st of June. From June till today, there is 11 days left out of those days that we were supposed to action this. Not even we were already late to action this. You're only accounting for 3 days here. You're saying there was a holiday on the 17th. That holiday doesn't matter because we can give you that 1 day. We left with 10 days. That you did not action this, whereby you late already. Let's go to another day that you are mentioning here, saying the premier was being inaugurated, the premier was supposed to elect the cabinet and all that. It doesn't matter. We give you that day as well. It's going to be 9 days then left again. That is not accounted for. For this rule to be broken already, because we were already late. You're saying there was an inauguration of a president of the Republic of South Africa. We give you that day as well. Take that day as you account on it. So it's 3 days now. Out of the 11 days that we are running short on, we are already late even on that particular time. So how can you account for the other days as to why this sitting was not, or the committees were not established already when we are late? Because the 7 days is saying within, it's not saying after 7 days. We were late even within the 7 days. That is on the standing rules. I can hear on your report you even mentioning that the committees of leaders, party leaders, we don't know such committees.